Guys, my room has no light. Can you imagine? My room has no light at all. I slept in darkness, guys. Let me see. Let me open. I can't even see anything. Let me try opening it. And I'll show you guys how the balcony is. Guys, I've opened, so this is how the balcony looks like. So, guys, I opened the windows, as you can see. I opened the curtains so there'll be light in the room, so I can show you guys how the room looks like. Okay, so when you're walking, you see the door. This is the switch for the room, fan, switch for the bathroom. The bathroom, there's no light, so you guys can't see anything. There's nothing you guys can see, guys. So let's pay the bathroom for today. But it's okay. So you see the bed. And I like the fact that they have so many pillows. That's like a plus. This their cover up. My dress. I'm going for a funeral, so that's my dress. And they have a lamp. And this bedside drawer. Those are my anti-blue glasses. Breakfast settings. I ate yesterday. That's why this was a mess. The AC remote, TV remote, water, artwork, AC. That's my scarf. This is the wardrobe. This is the television. And there's a fridge right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Fridge and another drawer. So that is it for the room. And fan. Guys, can you imagine? This is the bulb they use. Yes, this is the door for the balcony where the pool is. The pool game is. So yes, that is it for the room. Unfortunately, there's no light. It's almost 8 o'clock. There was no light since 3. How can a hotel not have light? I said more, guys. This is. Oh, I didn't mention the chair. So this is like your eating area. So yes, that's it for the room tour. I'm so bored right now because I'm feeling so much heat. I went outside. I went to sit close to the sea, and I'm now inside. I'm about to prepare to go for the funeral. I'll take my breakfast first, then I head off. So yes, I tried to stay here for 2 nights, but I changed my mind because in just one night they took their light for 3 times and they used generator. So in the evening it went off. I think they went to refill it. It went off and it came back. And this dawn, the rooms, some have light, some don't have light. So I'm really, really bored. So I'll go get another hotel nearby, even though they're all booked. I pray that today there'll be space in it. So yes, I'm not staying here for today too. So that is it for the room tour and the entire hotel. The kitchen is opposite my my room, so I get to sense all the aroma. So yes guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah. Mwah.